3.
Hello everyone, I am Krisha. I will tell you about Rango का rahsya. Rang or colors are integral parts of our life. They impact our emotion, behavior and even our physical well-being. Colors evoke our feelings, it reflects our mood and emotions. Red symbolizes energy, love and passion. Green symbolizes growth, calmness and harmony. Blue symbolizes loyalty, trust and wisdom. White symbolizes peace, purity and harmony. Colors play an important role in the natural world. Green plants use sunlight to produce energy is called photosynthesis. Animals use colors to communicate, attract their mates and warn predators. Colors are used as traffic signals and warning signs. Colors are used strategically in marketing and branding. Now I will perform an experiment to show how colors work in water and oil. Take one glass, fill about half of water into it. Take another glass, fill about half of oil in it. Now add few drops of food colors in the glass. Wait for a few seconds and observe that the colors does not dissolve in oil. Pour this mixture in water. Wait for a few seconds and observe that the colors start merging in water. Conclusion: food colors are water-based. They easily dissolve in water and not in oil. This is because food colors molecules interact well with water. Oil, on the other hand, does not interact well. Since water is denser than oil floats on top. The food colors being water soluble dissolves in water. Thank you.